Hello everyone. News headlines in English to speak in the school morning assembly of 15th May. And first of all, national news. Concrete evidence of hostile imported tech used by Pakistan. PM Modi called for scaling up TB elimination efforts. Justice Bhushan Ramakrishna Gawai took oath as 52nd Chief Justice of India. ECI resolved 20-year-old issue of duplicate epic numbers. Government declared 23rd September as Ayurveda Day. Former Defense Secretary Ajay Kumar appointed as UPSC chairman. India rejected China's attempt to rename places in Arunachal Pradesh. Military chiefs brief President Murmu on Operation Sindoor. And now, international news. Russia Ukraine to meet in Istanbul for talks to end war. President Trump urged Syrian president to normalize relations with Israel. US President Trump, Saudi Crown Prince, signed $142 billion arms deal. Anita Anand, appointed as Canada's foreign minister, will pilot reset with India. And now, sports news. Khelo India events in Delhi concluded. Akarshi Kashyap, Unnati Huda reached pre-quarterfinals at Thailand Open. SAF Under-19 Championship, India sealed top spot in Group B with 4-0 win over Nepal. Maharashtra crossed 100 medal mark, dominated Khelo India Youth Games 2025. Now, news related to business. India's WPI inflation is to 0.85% in April 2025. India saved $6.93 billion forex as coal import dipped due to rise in local production in financial year 2025. Bangladesh agreed for a floating exchange rate to get IMF loan. And that's all in news. Thank you.